On the 24-hour evolutionary clock of the Earth, humans have been around for 3 seconds. Imagine that in less than 3 seconds, the most evolutionarily advanced species with the highest level of cognition has calmly, knowingly destroyed their only home. The scary part is that you don't have to imagine it. The rationale for saving our planet isn't really that difficult. If we destroy our planet, we also destroy our future. Consider this graph illustrating carbon dioxide concentrations in our atmosphere over time. Never in the history of our Earth have these concentrations ever exceeded this line. But after the Industrial Revolution, we are almost double that level. This is insane. These increased concentrations of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, in combination with the greenhouse effect, act like a nice warm insulating blanket for a planet that's already on fire. These two images are from 1900 and 2014 respectively, illustrating the temperature anomalies in degrees Celsius. Our planet is on fire. The last 5 years have been the hottest on record ever. Since 1900, our temperature has risen by 2 degrees Fahrenheit. This chart illustrates the temperature anomalies in degrees Celsius of the ocean from 1880 to 2010. Due to increased carbon dioxide emissions and greenhouse gases, our atmosphere is warming. The ocean naturally absorbs this heat, and as greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide concentrations in our atmosphere increase, so do the temperatures of our oceans. By 2100, our ocean's temperatures are predicted to rise 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. Our oceans are becoming hot tubs, and our ice caps are like ice cubes thrown in a pot of boiling water. This is destroying entire marine ecosystems. Why aren't we paying attention to this? Do I even have to explain what is happening here? Between 1979 and 2012, we have lost over half the mass of all of our ice sheets. In Antarctica, we lose 130 billion tons of ice every year, while in Greenland, we lose over 300 billion tons of ice every year. As our ice sheets and ice caps are melting, we lose one of the planet's major heat-reflecting shields. We lose all of the life that depends on that ice. In the past 5 years, there's been a significant increase in extreme weather events and natural disasters around the globe. We have seen increased frequency of extreme weather events such as droughts and floods, along with several horrific natural disasters such as hurricanes. This is all caused by the global climate crisis, and we have to deal with the consequences of destroying our planet in such ways. Increased carbon dioxide levels in our atmosphere are absorbed by our oceans. Since the Industrial Revolution, our oceans have become 30% more acidic than they were. 30% more acidic! This is getting close to not being able to support marine life already, and it's rapidly killing off our reefs. This is what we are doing to our planet's biodiversity treasure troves, and these are pictures spaced just 4 years apart. This is what we are doing to our planet. Rising temperatures and rising carbon dioxide concentrations in our atmosphere are causing massive glacial retreats across the globe. Look at where these glaciers used to be and where they are now. Look at this picture from 1977 and then now in 2006. We are destroying our planet. We push these glaciers to the small fractions of what they once were. Whether we are in a state of climate crisis is not a question. It's not up for debate. Hard scientific evidence clearly illustrates the severity of our planet's and our crisis. Our climate crisis is not an opinion. It's not a political standpoint. It is our future. So I must ask, why is this not the only thing that we're talking about? This is our future, your future. What could possibly be so much more important that we can't drop everything that we're doing and fight to save our planet before it's too late? What future am I studying for if there won't be a future for me at all? It is at this point where I am troubled. How could the most cognitively advanced, most intelligent species on this planet sit frozen, blind, complacent amidst the crisis? Our home is on fire. Why aren't we acting like our home is on fire? The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change of the United Nations has reported that we have only 12 years to prevent an irreversible chain reaction that will inevitably destroy our entire planet. Our world is on fire. There is everything to lose. Why aren't we panicking? Why are we going about our days as if nothing is wrong? We have already wasted way too much time. We need to panic. What troubles me is that we know exactly what we need to do to stop the climate crisis. And we've known for quite some time. We have all of the solutions. Saving our planet isn't out of reach by any means. At least not yet. We aren't helpless. So why are we acting so apathetic? The climate crisis has the capacity to destroy our entire planet. And it will, unless we step up to fight for her. We only have 12 years, but I have hope in us. If we all come together now, we can save our Earth. It isn't too late, at least not yet. She is a planet, a future worth fighting for. Please join me for our future. Thank you.